God's plan. I can't do this on my own. Hey, no, hey. Someone watching this shit close.
Alright guys, I'm gonna try to get my little brother with this horn and my mom. They're getting to the house now. Let's go. Oh shit, they're right there, guys. They're right there. Alright guys, so I'm with my little brother. We're gonna try to get these girls that are in front of my house. We're gonna go behind the garages. Let's go. Check out, can they see us from here? They're right there. Come on, come on. Shh. Go, go, go. Wait. Don't go out there. Just peek out.
Hey, should I blow it and laugh like a clown?
Hold on. Should I where they at?
Blow it and laugh like a clown.
Wait, where they at?
They're right there in front of your door.
Are they?
Yeah, I swear to God. Should I do it? Should I do it?
Wait,
Like a clown.
wait. No. Just blow it. Wait. Go over there. Don't do it on my ear. No. You're gonna do it like right here. Point it that way.
Wait, watch out. You want me to blow it?
Go. Go, knock.
Oh, shit.
Go.
Bajo.
Natin. You okay? Let me see you. Did I wake you up too? I'm sorry. It's okay. Go back to sleep. Go back to sleep. I scared you. I scared you. Did I?
Yeah, that was super loud.
Well, you scared me. So I had to scare you.
I was just
Huh?
The baby just slapped me, like really. You were supposed to do that to him, not me.
Cause I woke you up.
Little baby.
So what is up, guys? I try to scare my son because he's always messing with me, guys. Now that he's getting bigger, he's always messing around with me. He's always trying to prank me and stuff. That's not funny. Anyways, guys, last time I was on the toilet, I had just got home, and this little dude grabbed this, and he literally blew it while I was on the toilet. It scared the crap out of me, so I tried to get him back, but I didn't get a good reaction off of him. What? And then Naomi was helping him film, and then this little guy, I scared this little guy. You don't want to say hi to them? You okay? You okay? Anyways, guys, I'm gonna add some clips of us trying to prank some other people with this little air horn, and I'm gonna put the clip of Jaden pranking me while I was, you know, using the toilet.
You do it. No, you do it.
Oh my god.
It's horn time.
No, no, no.
Is it recording?
Go, go, go.
Is it recording?
Yeah. You already acted horrible. You guys are reacting with like. You should have recorded that. I know. Yeah. Make sure. Everybody pointing to the wall. No, I didn't.
Recording?
Huh?
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Damn. Takes you this long to come in. You should go.
Did I get